Yes, to do the problem solving techniques. So we try first step. For problem solving techniques that I will suggest you, there are 5 steps. This is just only a guideline which you may not follow all of them. However, this is if you follow, it will let you try. If you follow it, it will help the beginner to design algorithm more easier. And if you be able to design an algorithm more fast, but still make mistake while writing an algorithm, this step may slow your thinking down and let you more carefully design and easier design an algorithms more efficient and right to the point of the problems. Okay, what are the steps? First, understand the problems. What does it mean, understand the problems? Normally, computational problems will be defined in terms of input and output, and there are some constraints which you should understand what exactly the problems need. It's like when you have an egg, it is an egg, right? But if the problems need boiled egg, but you return fried egg, it is an egg, but the eater or your customer may not like it because it's not the thing that they want, and you give an incorrect answer or output. Okay, so first understand what are inputs, outputs, or constraints. Second, explore concrete example. What does it mean? It will be more easier. What does it mean? Normally, when we define a computational problems, that we will define in general term, and there are many variables that you can substitute in many ways. For example, like like sorting problems. Input are the sequence of number of any size, of any order, right? And so, to explore concrete example, you substitute the variable with some value, and it will help you understand your problems and to help you check your algorithm whether the given input will return to check whether your algorithm will return a correct output. Second, explore concrete example. Normally, our computational problems will define in terms of many variables. For example, in sorting problems, we are given a sequence of numbers of any size, of any order, and we have to try to sort it. Concrete example will help you understand the problems more clear and help you have an input to be checked, and what is the output will be expected. Okay, and then you understand more and see some patterns of your ways to solve, then decide a step to solve the problems with for easy case. And then solve it, the normal and simplicity case first. You don't care about any alternative condition much, but try to transform the input to output and make it correct first. And then check for any other condition. Like when you have to eat an elephant, you separate problem into parts and try to solve each part and then combine them together. It will be more easier to design just only one algorithm to solve the whole complex problem. And then, after you have an algorithm, and check whether you can transform input to the correct output, then improve the performance of your algorithm by use any algorithm design strategy, reduce the variable, reduce time, whatever. Okay, so this is the problem solving techniques that is a guideline for you to design an algorithm.